I've just finished kura not too long ago, and now I find myself heading over to the United States of Amerika on a full scholarship.
E ruku kaha ana Ihaka Cate ki te kēmu poitūkohu o Massachusetts.
I want to show the world what being a rangatahi Māori and coming in to play sports is all about.
Nice find from Kate.
Ia e whai ana ki te whanake i tana aramahi, ka haere te kaitākaro Canterbury Rams ki te kura o Northfield Mount Herman mo te kotahi tau i runga i te karahipi poitūkohu. Kia Kate, he peka nui tēnei mō nā wawata.
I've always dreamed of having a career in engineering or in architecture, and I've really worked hard to research my schools and to try and pursue those schools and really maximise my chances of being able to go and not only play basketball at the highest level around the world, but to really push myself academically and to really create an alternate career for myself if things were to go south. One thing that has really led to my development and my success, especially over the past few years, is learning to really grow in failure.
Ko eke ki te ono te kaunga tāngata no Aotearoa e tākaro ana i te taumata tuatahi o te kēmu mo ngā wahanga whare wānanga. Nō reira, kua whai tautoko a Kate i aia e noho tā wāhi ana.
Especially over the last 5 years, going over to the States to play basketball has grown exponentially. I've got a few boys over there, a few teammates that I've played with this year that are within close regions, so it'll be definitely much more comforting knowing that I've got at least boys from home around me and scattered around the country too.
Ko tai kē a Kate ki tāna kura i Massachusetts. Ka tīmata te taukura hei te mutunga o tēnei marama. Ā, e tiro whakamua ana ia ki te whakaatu i tōna Māoritanga ki tōna tīma.
I'm really proud of my culture. I'm proud of having toto Māori in me. I'm going to make sure that I do my best to imprint te ahureo Māori over in the States as well.
Ora kairangi Nicholas, Tahu News.
Ko te reo, te take.